Well, it's the 29th of November and we're getting on with our High Level Stewardship capital works plan at the moment. We're up in the cherry orchard and we're actually going to replant, or are starting to replant, the avenue again. This was old cherries that are on their way out, so we're going to plant different varieties of cherries on this north side of the track, and then on the south side of the track down through here we're actually going to be planting some plums and some damsons. We should probably start that next week. The plums are, the cherries that we've got going in here, some different varieties called Black Oliver and Bigaroo and some Early Rivers, and then we've also got some Stella in between as well, which are going to hopefully act as pollinators. Although there's quite a lot of wild cherry around in some of the woodlands that we've had over the years. So we've got one big post there, that's to give the whole thing support. We've got sort of just over 6 foot of 2-inch mesh, then a smaller post which the tree's actually attached to, and that's attached by that little bit of belting there. And then we've actually got half a spiral rabbit guard just along the bottom, just to stop voles and things like that. And then it's planted in the ground there. We've put blood and bone meal in first, and then we're going to come along with some compost to go round the tree to act as a bit of a mulch and a bit of a sort of a fertiliser source as it gradually gets washed into the soil. And the mulch will help reduce the weeds. We actually sprayed off around the posts about 2 weeks ago, and that'll kill the grass off. And then we'll have annual weeds that we'll need to control as well. So if we look down there, that's a pretty straight line. So that's Derek getting those nicely lined up. So in a few years' time, you can imagine wandering through here, April and May, in an avenue of blossom, which will look absolutely stunning.